Welcome to Fully Bright in 10. Here, you will get it right, get bright, and stay bright. In this video, we'll look at factors affecting the economic decisions of households and firms. So, let's get bright. Recall in a previous video that we identified households and firms as economic agents. Now, we will consider the factors affecting the economic decisions of households. First, we have income. With higher levels of income, households buy more goods and services. We also have the contagion effect, where households buy goods and services because others are buying them. Weather is another factor. With warmer weather, households buy air conditioners and fans. Now, what about the factors influencing economic decisions of firms? One factor is input cost. If input costs are higher, firms reduce outputs, use less inputs, or use cheaper inputs. Also, if consumer demand falls, firms produce less, but if demand rises, they produce more. The quality of resources is yet another factor, where low quality resources can affect the firm's decision to produce. Now, think of some other factors that can affect the economic decisions of households and firms. Don't worry, you are bright, you can do it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Fully Bright in 10, where we'll get it right, get bright, and stay bright.